If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes. Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite sauce and it is so delicious. It has such limited ingredients and it is a very refreshing sauce. It's called Tzatziki sauce and you can use it as a spread or as a dip. What I like to do is I like to spread it on my gyros when I have chicken gyros or lamb gyros or even veggie gyros. And also I like to dip my falafel into the sauce and take a big bite. Oh my god, this is just out of the world. So let me just show you the ingredients. They're very less, very simple. Every household has these ingredients and you can make it. For the ingredients, we have grated cucumber over here. I have half a lemon, some salt, black pepper, 1 clove of garlic, some olive oil and Greek yogurt. You want to use Greek yogurt because it is thick and it's also very delicious. Anyways, it is very simple. There is no cooking required over here. So let me just show you how to make this. What you want to do is you want to take your Greek yogurt in the bowl, in a big bowl, and then add the cucumber, grated cucumber. Give it a good mix. And you can find the exact recipe with ingredients and measurement, the link in the description box below, so do not worry about that. And to this I am going to add the salt and black pepper, and I'm going to give a good squeeze of this lemon juice. This sauce is a very refreshing sauce because it has cucumber and Greek yogurt. So that is the main ingredient which makes this sauce absolutely delicious. You can always make this sauce ahead of time and keep it in your fridge and serve it when your guests are here already, so that you don't have to waste your time in the kitchen or anything. You can spend more time with your guests and family. And now that Thanksgiving is coming, you can make this sauce and serve it with some Greek potatoes or roasted potatoes, and it's gonna taste so delicious. And now I'm just gonna press this garlic. You want to use fresh garlic because it's gonna give a very good taste and flavor. You can also use powdered garlic, but prefer using fresh garlic. And I'm gonna use some olive oil. That's it. Give it a good mix so that when you take a bite, it's not just one whole spoon of garlic in your mouth. You're gonna mix it around properly. So this sauce is absolutely ready. You saw it took literally 5 minutes to make up this sauce, and it has limited ingredients as I told you. So let's taste it. It looks delicious. Let's taste a little bit of it. Oh my god, it is so refreshing, so delicious, and the little flavor of garlic is absolutely delicious. So I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. If you like my recipes, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I'm always gonna bring good and amazing recipes for you guys, and see you in my next episode. Bye bye.